Hi guys, this is Mynul back with another video in Technical Mynul channel. Today we wanna show you the review of Samsung Galaxy Fold. It is a simply outstanding engineering of Samsung. Look at these pictures. It's showing the excellence of Samsung company, and the Samsung Fold is new generation's phone, and the future is on our hand today. Look at the IT sector, look at every side, and Samsung has just improving themselves. They are going to launch Samsung Galaxy Fold, which can be foldable. Its Galaxy Fold has 7.3-inch Infinity display, 4.6-inch covered display, triple rear camera, wide, ultra wide, tele, dual front camera, wide RGB depth, single cover camera. It has 12GB RAM, 512GB ROM, 10MP selfie camera on the front of the display, and the wide angle triple rear cameras on the rear, wide, telephoto, and super wide. And it has also some new features. Look at that, the wide angle, the triple rear cameras on the rear, wide, telephoto, and super wide. And it's simply outstanding effects of Samsung. It has the Infinity display, Super AMOLED display, and it's the Snapdragon 855 CPU, 12GB RAM, 512GB storage. It has also 4380 ampere battery and quick wireless power share, and everything you will find from it. Look at the feature, it's outstanding, absolutely marvelous feature. It's affordable, and you can take it in your pocket. The shapes is outstanding, and you can collaborate Google, YouTube, WhatsApp in the same time on the display. It will give you the best experience of gaming, best experience of video, and you can look at that, the pictures saying everything. So it's an outstanding device, and just Samsung showing its excellence, showing its power on that occasion. It's slightly, I think it will be best. You can collaborate 3 apps in a time in your display in a single time. So everything is marvelous, mind-blowing. And if I say about the experience, if I say about the CPU, about the speed of the device, that all would be outstanding level. And the display, it's outstanding, 7.3-inch display, and you will find the best experience from it. And it has triple camera, and its starting price is $1,980. It's slightly expensive, but yeah, it's a huge, I think, huge revolution